Today I'm making a quick and healthy and super tasty feta cheese and spinach breakfast wrap. Add some bacon cut into small pieces. Use 3 medallions here. You can also use a little oil to get it nice and crispy. I like to make it till it's really quite well done. Next we can then add in our eggs. I've lightly beaten them and added 3, and then we just kind of spill it over the whole area of the frying pan with a nice thin layer. Then we're going to add in some salt and pepper seasoning. And then place our tortilla wrap directly on top. After a couple of minutes we can just check that the egg is cooked, and then we gently try and flip it over. We can then start to add ingredients that we just want to add that we have in the cupboard. I didn't have any fresh spinach, but I had some frozen spinach that I've added here, and about 100 grams of feta cheese I've cut into small cubes. And then cook for a couple of minutes more, and then we will gently fold it in half. Then just plate it up, slice it in half and eat while it's nice and hot.